Test, test. We should be live. Phone charging. Coffee's ready. We just need the spacesuit. Cupcakes number one, always. What's going on, cupcakes? Uh, are you still watching? What was it? WD, right? Western Digital. We're talking about. What's going on, Jacob? Today's a big day, guys. You guys, I don't think you guys understand what today is. Today is possibly one of the biggest days. The market has been really crappy, like weeks before that. I'm talking not GameStop, AMC. I'm talking overall index market, Tesla, big value stocks, gold stocks, that rotation going out of value into growth, and which I think will be undone by the end of the year. But today, if you saw my video yesterday, I think there might be a gamma squeeze on AMC if we hold above 30, which is saw 33 pre-market. It dipped to 29, but we're slowly advancing and we're still above 30. GameStop has been a little on the laggy side. I see headlines, GameStop stock takes a seat back as AMC steals a spotlight. I see that type of headline, but I think GameStop is going to wake up. But as in mainstream, AMC is the one that's winning right now. Massive gamma inbound today. The 300 strikes are the only 330. Oh, we're talking GameStop. I'm sorry. What's going on, Dante? Keith, Lawrence. We got two anonymous in here. I eat chicken high low. What's going on, John? It's been a minute, yeah. Yesterday, even in the Discord chat, a lot of people that weren't really active for quite some time, they came out. I was like, it's been a while, right? It's been like months. So, you know, people have their lives, they're busy and whatnot. And I have a feeling a lot of people here, or a lot of people on the AMC GameStop thing craze are new and they're gonna just go about this and not trade anymore. Is that the situation for a lot of you guys? I want to know because I want people to stay, you know? I want people to trade in the markets. And I don't think that's the case for a lot of people. A lot of people I think are gonna back out after this. That's just what I think. And of course, sometime in the not so distant future, there's gonna be another squeeze. There's gonna be another crazy rally because these are unicorns, guys. You guys have to understand that. This is not normal for a stock to move like this quick. It's very rare. And I don't want people to start expecting that for every stock. Like Sundial, it's very hard. The coordination, everything has to be so precise. And this is exactly what we're seeing right now. GameStop at 20 billion. Let's see what the volume's at. Ortex. Short interest update. AMC continues to rally, reaching 32.99 per in the pre-markets. AMC apes trend on Twitter. Short interest increased yesterday. Are you kidding me? I wouldn't doubt it. Like this is exactly what I expected. They're gonna ride this at 50 and short the crap out of it. The only thing that I'm worried about, guys, is it's Friday. It's a long weekend. The market is closed Monday. People are sitting on massive gains. I don't know if people are gonna want to hold over the weekend, especially a lot of swing traders, day traders, on that amount of gains. So there might be a slight sell-off into the close. That's just what I think. And today's the last day of the month. Monday, we're closed. So a lot of portfolio rebalancing. That's what I think. That's what we've seen in the markets over the last couple weeks. There's a little slight dip into the close. So if you're looking to take a play and pre-market, if you're not able to trade pre-market, maybe it might be a market open if there's a dip, or into the market close if you want to take that risk. That's just you. I will take my tendies on the way down and still get back into AMC after the squeeze. This is the thing. AMC could crash to 15 and it's not going to be the same stock. Like it's going to rebound aggressively. It's going to be like GameStop. Like GameStop when we fell to 40 bucks and it went to 200. That's the thing that changes with stocks like this, with momentum that happens like this, the attention. If this comes down to 15 and it holds here, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a day where it's going to rebound aggressively, and that's probably going to be something fundamentally changing within the company, whether they pay down debts, the new movies, their reopenings, that is going to change, and it's going to allow the stock to rebound. That's the way I see it. Let's see. I'm happy for GameStop to sell off today. Close at 380 instead of 400 is fine. Oh crap, yeah. That's pretty high levels regardless. Let's see that. What came in today though? I think we had the PCE. Let me see. All right, can somebody explain to me who this is? I see him all the time everywhere on Twitter. Who is this kid? I see him all the time. All right. Robert says, heard an interesting speculation this morning. Adam Aaron is issuing a convertible bond to take advantage of the current SP. This is what I said. Adam Aaron is licking his lips. You don't understand how bad, but he can't. He can't. He has zero ammunition in the chest. He can't. He can't dilute. There's nothing. He is so. I think he's guys. You don't understand $31 for AMC. You know how much cash they can bring in. Adam Aaron a couple weeks ago he sold 43, 44 million at $9. Can you imagine how he feels right now looking at the price? Like fuck, I could have paid up a lot of debt, and I don't blame him, guys. They have to pay off some of this debt, 100%. They have to. They have to raise cash. They want to take advantage of these prices. I don't blame him. Like I won't get mad if he does. It makes complete sense. This is something you don't see in the markets quite. It's very rare. It's a unicorn, like I tell you guys. So I wouldn't be surprised. I would not. I'm just telling you guys. So if it comes out, don't lose your heads and start going around. Oh, crap! It's gonna come down. No, let's wait for it to see. All right, Gary Black, very respected analyst. I respect. He's a huge testable. He tweeted, "What concerns me the most when I go to Reddit and read investment theses on AMC and GameStop, there is no valuation analysis." Here we go. That's the thing. He's a very fundamental guy. There is no valuation analysis, just assertions that prices are going to go higher and investors should get in. This is the greater fool theory, which we talked about, by the way, investing and will end badly, not short yet. So I guess he's in a short the stock, right? Not short yet. It's not about the valuation analysis, somebody replied, but rather a huge short squeeze, which is thought possible because hedge funds have been too optimistic about their short positions and gone deeper than they can really afford, also illegally. Any comments on that theory? He said, yes, short squeeze is on, but has no valuation support, and AMC and GameStop holders learned last time, squeeze can end without a warning. Thanks, that's Dude Robinhood, by the way. Let's see. He's just he understands the squeeze, he understands the potential these stocks have, but again, these guys are fundamentalists. They're going to be looking, like I told you, at the debt, at the overall economy, and what's going on with the reopening situation. There's the macro view, the macro perspective of it. That's what these guys are looking for. They're not really looking for momentum, I guess you can say. Like this guy tweets about Tesla all day long about the fundamentals. Rarely does he pull in the technicals. It will depend on the price set for conversion. If it's a valuation in this range, it's a good thing. If it's much lower, it will be a bad harbinger for what they think it will go. You said convertible bonds, but they have to pay those back, if I'm not mistaken. Bonds are paid back. Equity dilution is not, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, GameStop 266 was a pre-market high, and AMC was 33 flat. We got 12 minutes. Let's go, baby. Gardenum says he couldn't sleep. Honestly, I had the best sleep out of the entire week last night. I don't know what it was. I come to the realization that nothing matters anymore. It doesn't really. Yeah, bonds are paid back or the bondholder can convert to share. Yep. Look what Ross has tweeted. Time for AMC to do another secondary. Put more cash on the books and pay down their debt. He tweeted this 30 seconds ago. The company needs to be smart here when they will survive. I'm telling you guys, I'm not the only one that thinks like this. These high-end investors here on Twitter are thinking the same thing. Look, no joke, literally, a minute ago. It makes sense. It makes sense. If you guys love the company, if you truly love AMC and you want them to survive and you love Adam Aaron, you'll let him do this. They got him, man. If they don't, they're just gambling on people going back to the movies. in which I freaking love the movies, man. I love the movies. But this is what that's the current situation that people won't tell you. Other YouTubers won't tell you this. They won't tell you the truth because you'll be called a shill, a hedgy. That's what sucks. I don't care about AMC at all because Adam Aaron is sus. Look at everyone panicking about what AMC might do to hurt investors. GameStop has zero of those worries. GameStop, fundamentally, I go and prefer because obviously I think the business model is more lucrative and it's a growing industry, esports, and what they can get into e-commerce than AMC. But AMC can just pull something off that we don't know. It has to happen. Too much debt. They will go bankrupt without buying some of that debt down. Absolutely. So let's see what Adam Aaron does. Does he hold back on that? And AMC shoots up to 50, $60. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. I think GameStop is way more set for the future than AMC. 100% agree. But as of now, technicals volume, AMC is on the throne right now. Look at GameStop picking up here. Looks like we might trade to the candle here. That was another one of my issues yesterday that I was kind of spooked about. Halts. When this was going up to 29 yesterday here, I was scared for a halt on the way up or down. That's the only thing I was worried about. And freaking Robinhood, man. Getting stuck in a halt is pretty freaking scary. I'm not gonna lie. You don't know what's gonna happen, and people start crapping themselves. All right, AMC market cap is 13 trillion, and the debt is 11 trillion. What? I don't think it's trillion. I think this guy got it wrong. 11 billion. Yeah, this guy's this is a zero hedge on Twitter. Why is he putting T? I think he's freaking half asleep or something. AMC's 12% junk bonds due to 2026 hit a record of 97 cents. $97.70 after trading 5 cents in November. Yeah, it's billion. I don't know why he put trillion. Yeah, Rob, yesterday I was really tripping out with the halts. There was no halts. That was interesting. Watch for much FOMO. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Let's pull up to level 2. You're right. You're right. Thank you for reminding me. We got 8 minutes on the clock. Let's go. Just saw last video. Mad props for owning the regret. I tried so hard to get back on the AMC rock and no worries. GameStop will follow. It's yeah. It takes a lot of people can't admit their mistakes. Be like, oh, I was wrong here. I was wrong here. Everything's handy dandy, baby. We're alive. There's gonna be opportunity in the future. A lot of people don't understand that. Like my FOMO is like 1% on AMC out of 100. What was the print that came out today? I believe it was the PCE, right? Let's check. Good old Bloomberg. Bloomberg, what are we doing? Bloomberg. Bitcoin slumps. Oh, don't tell me I haven't checked Bitcoin. Don't tell me what Bitcoin's at. 36.8. Like I said, I don't think Bitcoin's gonna trade at 35 or trade sideways. I think we're gonna have an aggressive push to 40s or come down back to 30. It's gonna be bloody again. AMC's number one. AMC's 4 day surge slaps short sales with 1.3 billion loss. Morning, morning. You don't want to look at cryptos right now. I can imagine. Come on. This guy again? Richard Greenfield explains his one cent AMC price target. I thought this already happened. May 28. If hedge funds wanted to get out of their entire position, if they were sure they could do it within minutes, he said, adding to that, AMC action does not point to big institutions or hedge funds being squeezed. An army of retail investors refuse to sell. The only thing that matters long term is AMC Entertainment is never going to make cash again, he told CNBC. I don't think so. I think people are going to go back to the movies. Fair value is based on cash flow. AMC Entertainment can generate cash. That's one of the concerns that they don't raise cash. They're pretty much basically hoping on the fact that people actually come back. Huddle for Harambe. Morning, Kevin. Quincy, I have a YOLO account with Webull. I just put it on to AMC when it was at 19 something. Richard Greenfield, he really truly doesn't believe it's going to 1 cent. I promise you. The reason he said that is to, first of all, catch attention and tell me you're shorting the stock without telling me you're shorting the stock. Basically, is what he's saying. Apes Together trending. New Japan. Solar Winds. We got 4 minutes, baby. 40K open interest on the 39 calls for AMC expiring today. Buying pressure holds. Here we are. Expect the gamma squeeze. Oh. Let me see. I can't. What came out today, guys, for the date of the print? What was it? The PCE? Or is it Ash? It's usually #1 thing on Bloomberg. Let's see. We got what? 3 minutes? All right. We got 3 minutes. Oh, here it is. A key U.S. inflation gauge rose 3.1% this year, or year over year, higher than expected. The core personal consumption expenditures price index increased 3.1% in April. How is this a surprise? This is not even a surprise at all. Higher than expected. The stimulus, the printing. Look at this crap, guys. $3.1. We'll see what the CPI says on June 10. That's the real one. Core actually, core CPI. All right, here we go, guys. Another day. The final day of the week. 1 minute. Is Jim Cramer teasing a Beyond Me short squeeze? What's going on, Rena Heath? Good morning, everybody. Here we go. 2 minutes. Oh, YouTube is controlling AMC assets today. YouTube sus. I don't trust YouTube. YouTube is very sketchy. YouTube is putting ads on people's videos that don't, or channels that don't have monetization. So if you don't meet the requirements, they're still gonna put ads on your video. They're still making money off of you. Screw YouTube. We'll be here no matter what. What's up with the Harambe? Harambe. All right, here we go. 29 seconds, guys. Probably a historic day for AMC and GameStop. May 28. It's funny how this all happened in January 27, and yesterday it was the 27th, and we saw the same action. Interesting, huh? All right, let's go. 10, 9, here we go. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Game time. Usually we see a drop here on AMC. We haven't seen that. Let's see. Eat the drop though. Alright. Let's move this to the right here really quick. There's that drop. Not surprised. Wait for the massive rebound. People are gonna buy the dip right now. Oh, it's the 5th anniversary of Armor being shot? There's no way. Tell me about a simulation. Harambe anniversary. May 28th! We live in a freaking simulation, guys. There's no effing way we don't. Alright, let's go. There's that rebound. Dip followed by a rebound. Let's go. On the way up. Here we go. GameStop doing the opposite, but usually it's a little slow behind AMC, so we should see a rebound here to 261 on GameStop, reaching for the pre-market high of 33. Let's go! There's that rip. New high, new high, new high. You're 5 cents away. There you are. The triple threes, quadruple threes. The volume is at 54 mil. That's a lot. There it is, the calls. 35 near 40. Oh, crap. Gamma squeeze, 34. 34, 28, 34, 52. All right. Let's play it lightly today. Here comes GameStonk, usually a little slow behind it, but here it comes. 263, a new high is not an effing meme. Let's go. 35.25 on the clock. We're playing the half dollar here. Here we go for 40. 35.50, 60.83. Here comes 36. Let's go. Let's see what Tudor's saying. 36.31 to 266 on GameStop. Whew. Cinema chain AMC runs. It's pre-market gain at 36%. 36.72. We're going to 37. Holy crap, a new high's not a meme. 269 for the memes. Come on, GameStop. 269. This is a freaking historic day. I think it just got halted, guys. I'm telling you guys, I think it just got halted. Nope. What the heck? My Arby's Wi-Fi. You guys saw that? I got stuck there for some reason. I got baited on that one. What just happened? It froze at 72. That's interesting. What the fuck? Let's buy the dip. Oh. We're up 140 bucks on that pop. What the hell? I think something's going on with my computer. It's super slow, man. All right, let's sell this. 120 bucks on that 3-second spike. We're gonna be buying the dip. We're gonna day trade the. I know you guys don't want to see this, but it is what it is. What just happened on that candle though? I feel like a huge order got stuck there. Oh shit! It's coming back up. Holy crap! 73 million volume already. GameStop had a pretty aggressive pullback. I want to hear about margin calls too, man. Let's go for 75. This is too volatile, man. Alrighty, come on. Alright, let's buy the dip. If it doesn't work, we'll sell out. Alright, another 50 bucks there. Sold. Up 171 on the day. It was sold it way too early, but here it comes. Look at that volume. Look at the TNS, how fast it's ticking. My computer can't even keep up. Come on, FOMO. This is called nasty FOMO on here. This is, oh my gosh. I just made 46. There we go, 100 bucks. Take those freaking tendies. My palms are sweaty as crap. Oh man. GameStop, here it comes. 269. Come on. Come on. Show me 269. Don't reject on me like that. AMC. All right, we're kind of cooling off here. Oh, I'm selling every little spike you get. Next play will hold a little longer to see if we have an aggressive rebound. We are selling the pennies, but that's just my discipline, man. That is just my discipline. Same discipline I have with Tesla is the same thing I'm doing here with AMC. It's just you have to adjust your shares because if this goes south and you have a lot on the volatility, you're gonna get wrecked. All right, here it goes for a new high. We're up in the stock market like Pep Guardiola. New high, come on. Nothing wrong with day trading. You don't understand the amount of people in hedge funds day trading this right now. You don't understand. There's a ton of them. I promise you. I'm the only one that's here live though. That's it. There's a lot of them that are doing this right now. Hence why you see these pullbacks. I guess you're like this into the close. People taking profits. Day traders, swing traders. I promise you. Believe, man. Believe. Here we go. That's what I always tell myself. Believe, believe. But the market has taught me otherwise. And sometimes having faith is not really the best situation when you're day trading. When you're day trading, you don't understand when you're day trading. Your discipline has to be unmatched. You can't be like, oh, maybe I'll let it do this time. No, when you have this type of volume, it's crazy. Maybe with Tesla, like, okay, it's gonna dip a little bit, but with AMC being at this price, this amount of volume, it's very different. You have to adapt. I'd rather watch Ralph than Andrew. No, come on, don't. Let's not bag on other people here. I respect every single YouTuber out there, 100%. You guys don't understand. I want everybody to win. I want everybody to print freaking money. Everybody wins. Everybody's happy. Ralph, can you take a look at this clip from Closing Ball last night about AMC shorts on the percentage? I think. Okay, wait, hold on. Give me a second. Send me that play via Discord. I'll plug in the Discord. It's completely free. You guys can join. If you guys are enjoying this, make sure to slap a like on the video. I'd greatly appreciate that. It tells YouTube we ain't going anywhere. Here comes 35 bounce. GameStop pulling back to 260. If they can hold 260, SMA would have a pretty lovely day today. AMC, come on. Come on, GameStop. Use that fuel. What's going on, George? Side note, Tesla's also ripping. How's Tesla? 63. I never really understood this pop here on Tesla yesterday, honestly. Alrighty. Let's wait for AMC. It's got potential. It's above EMA still. It's above EMA. There's potential here. As long as you see this holding above the blue line, it's a very great sign. GameStop's trying to climb above the 13 EMA. Let this hold here. I don't see any huge walls here on the ask on the level 2. Nothing too crazy. We haven't seen any walls literally since Monday, guys. AMC has been trending above the EMA here. Look at Monday. We opened here at 12, and look what it's at right now, 36. No cross under the EMA. Nothing too crazy of a pullback. Even if it does pull back, you're looking at some pretty strong supports. 100 million volume. We're at 99 in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, yes, that's nuts. Here it comes. Let's see. Is it going to break here? How's the 5-minute? All right, it's looking a little overextended on the 5. We're at 31.94 on the 5. This has cushion to pull back to around here, 33. Let's wait, because there's a little bit of uncertainty on a pop here at 35. I do think the volume is there, the momentum is there to send to 38, 40 bucks. We just need that confirmation. Let's wait and see. It's forming like a little penny, a little flag here. Let's be patient. Let's wait. Here it comes. Okay. GameStop going up today. I'm trying to get out 3%. Did we hit 1 billion volume today? Rough, give me a prediction. Maybe. Yesterday we were, what about 600 mil? That's completely nuts. 600 mil? I don't think you guys understand what 600 mil is. Tesla trades on average, number 1, at 26, 30 million. 2630 million. You're having AMC at 600. Oh, that's Remember Neo too? How's Neo? Let's see. Good on Neo. I think we have Twitter position too. Neo's popping. We're up some Arby's money on Twitter. We'll just probably sell this, right? I mean, we're holding for quite some time. Twitter's dead. Here comes AMC. AMC is going to go hard, guys. AMC is either going to come down to 33 or it's going to shoot up to 37. I don't think there's any in between. It's going up or down aggressively. GameStop pushing back up. 700 was the volume? Maybe. Maybe today we see one bill. I don't know. Not surprised, not surprised. Let it test support. Let it cool down here a little bit. Oh, shit about that dip. Give me 1 second. Let me look at the EMA. 32.14. Let's wait for it to... Oh, why do you do this to me? GameStop pulling back. Look how aggressively that dip bounced. 33 or 34. $1 a bounce here, guys. This is day trader paradise, man. Holy crap. Not even Tesla does this often. The next time Tesla is going to trade like this, I think, is next Thursday. Next Thursday is going to be nuts, guys. Next Thursday, you guys don't want to miss next Thursday. We have the NVIDIA stock split vote. We have AMC proxy. We have Tesla's the Plaid display, whatever presentation. Oh, crap. Pre-purchasing chips. Oh, there's another dip. All right, we'll go for this one. Let's wait. All right, there we go. Let's see if this bounces here. It's going to sink a little faster than I thought it would. All right, it's crashing again. Let's go for 75 again. We're in with 150 shares of AMC here. Giving up some of those tendies here. It's still jippy. This is a pretty aggressive dip. All right, we're still green. We're green. Look how volatile my P&L is. It can't even keep up. That's crazy. We go from red to green to red to green. 31. We're at 32.08 average. It's at 31.87. If anything above 32, and I think we're in the green. Let's wait for a bigger bounce here. I think this is a little overextended. Maybe some stop losses going up. Some people taking profits. Let's wait for 32 and above. If we do get that, if we do sink under, take the loss. Let's wait and see. Here comes the green candle, 31.58. Is it looking strong or weak? It's looking a little weak. Here's a rebound. We're in the green. Wait, we're out with this one. Let's wait. 32, 33, 34. Let's sell on this one. This candle's looking a little pretty good. How fast am I going to get filled? I don't know. They didn't fill me, by the way. GameStop with the massive green candle. We're in with 75 at 31.82. That's a pretty decent average. Is that SMA or EMA? That's EMA here. So, is it going to bounce here or flush? 31.66.58. That's a pretty bearish candle here. All right. Let it come down. We're going to rebuy this back here at 31, under 31. Oh, look how fast it bounces. Look at these wicks here on GameStop. That is insane. Yeah, it's a flush. It's flushing, but let's wait for the bounce here. Look how... Oh, crap. Can't even drink coffee. Look at the aggressiveness on these candles. I have a feeling my Thinkorswim is glitchy. Like, it's super slow. That's completely nutty. Let's ride these 75 to make back some of that L we took here on the first initial 75. If we do see more of an aggressive push to 33, we'll still be in the green. That's a pretty good bounce here. I'm tempted by a day trade. It's hard. Day trading is freaking hard. Because especially on something this volatile, you have to be quick. Like, I'm going to just sell. And it doesn't fill me. What the hell? There we go. They have a lot of the same issues. Yeah, it's a little slow because the volume is nuts. No, every time I take a restroom break, I miss the dips. Yeah, this is really slow. I think it's because I have two. All right, let's take away this. Let's take away the level 2 just to have it a little smoother. Let's close Bloomberg. Let's close Yahoo Finance. What don't I need? Um, I'm tempted by day trade, but worried about a shift in momentum to negative. That's why you have to be disciplined and very quick. You have to be able to think very fast, like, oh, it's gonna dip. I'm gonna sell here. I'm gonna sell here. Take profits here. Like, look, if I would have held, I would have been up more. In hindsight, oh, Ralph, that's brilliant. Yes, it's brilliant. In hindsight, no one knows hindsight. AMC could have dipped to 30 for all we know. You know, we don't know. We're playing it off momentum, off of what I can think on the candle. If this gets rejected here at 33, it's gonna come down back to 30, 60 right here. So let's expect a potential test down here. If not, we're gonna rebound to 34. Look at that. There we go. Simple, classic EMA rejection. Let's wait for it. I want to buy Nvidia, but you said a 5-to-1. No, it's a 4-to-1. I'm sorry. The entire market is down. I'm sorry. Wait, the entire market makes no sense. 10-year going down. Just wait. Just wait till the Fed meeting, baby. And we'll see what truly happens. 632. Apple, how are we doing? 125 off the lows at 124. There's that rebound on AMC. No retesting of the lows. Here comes the rebound. How are we on the 5? Bouncing off of 5, right? Yep, 32. Oh, you guys are funny. I bought a couple shares of Nvidia yesterday right before close. I want Amazon to split, man. I want an Amazon stock split. That would be nasty. Yeah, GameStop has resistance here. Nice eye, nice technical analysis. Nathan, it does have resistance here at 261, which is the EMA. Same thing with AMC right here. There's a little resistance here, but I just want this to prove me wrong and just rip. Cost is charging. Yup. Cost, BlackBerry. If anyone day trades AMC right now, they have balls. It's very risky, but it's rewarding, right? Virgin Galactic. What happened with SPCE? Is SPCE another Wall Street bet stock? Oh no. Who has SPCE? Mr. Richard Branson. Holy crap. The House of Cards is just fun. I never got a chance to read that. Here comes AMC. Anyone who stayed in AMC has done great, but unless they sell at least someone high, it would just remain a paper profit. Exactly. You don't make a profit till it's in your hand. Until you have that in your account, it's all fairy dust. It could evaporate like this, and I've learned that the hard lesson. I promise you. If you have life-changing money right now, one lesson I'm gonna tell you is I got greedy. When I lost a lot of money, I got effing greedy, and that pain, it's that is worse than taking an L. Having that dub in your hands, that profit, that life-changing money, and letting it go because you were too stubborn, too greedy, I promise you that's gonna haunt you for quite some time. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not telling people to paper hand and sell, take profits. I'm just telling you, take that into consideration from somebody who's been there. Oh man, it feels like death. It feels like death having 6 figures and just losing it like that. And it'll traumatize you from the markets. I'm holding SPC on my short-term account. You printed some tendies, right? On Palantir, right? William? How's Palantir today? 22? Oh, yeah, 22. It's a 24. Palantir. If I start doing that, that means I'm gonna go down. William's hacking me. I shorted SPC and got a margin call this morning. First of all, it's very risky. That space flight was risky. If it failed, I promise you your puts would have paid or your shorts would have paid. Why is GameStop not following? I think it's because there's more attention on AMC right now. AMC is obviously a little cheaper on the price per share, which is going to obviously attract people and traders onto AMC. But that's not to say that they're not correlated. Look at the pattern, the similarity in the charts here. Yeah, let's check Twitter. We will hodl for you. 1K is guaranteed. All right. I respect that. If you have a price target and you have a goal, go for it, baby. But that's just not me, you know? Here we go. Above you, may again send me a picture on Discord. Let me check it. Look at this. Printing some tendies. Sup, it's Ace. You're up 4,900. Are you day trading this? Oh, no. You had two chunks of 35, right? And you sold both? That's crazy. I respect that. 100% appreciate that. Congrats. Friends, friend requests, Davis. Everybody's winning. Except the people shorting. Yeah, the bid size. 3,500. Two 3,500 blocks. Which is simple math. 7K. Let's check Twitter, see what we got on there. If AMC made you a millionaire, it wasn't due to any recommendation from Domo Capital, but it's time. Yeah, it's crazy. They want you to put your funds in Domo Capital. This is not a squeeze. This is a gamma squeeze in FOMO. 100%. Oh, we're waking up. GameStop 264, AMC 35. Here comes the rebound. We didn't see that retest here, 30. So what are we playing here now on the EMA? Let's take a look. All right, we're still holding. The last thing we need to break above 36 here. I did scalp trade on AMC, my Thinkorswim account, TOS, but I want to trade it on my Webull account and hold. I don't know how is day trading on Webull? How is it about? Anybody here day trade on Webull? I feel like it'd be really complicated. I barely understand how to navigate Webull. It looks very complex. This is just so aesthetically pleasing, simple. You have your TNS, active trader, your charts, your dashboard, your level 2, live news, all of that good stuff. Just right here. At a click of a button. No fancy fonts that you can't read, and I don't know. Just me. Morning, Marcos. 32 EMA. Let's keep that in mind. I like TD trade trading better than Webull. Yeah, 100%. GameStop. Pulling back. This is a pretty weird drop. I wonder if AMC is going to follow. Or is it just its own beast? What platform am I trading on? Broker, TD Ameritrade. Platform, Thinkorswim. It's the same thing, basically. Thinkorswim is TD Ameritrade software. GameStop 257. Pretty interesting divergence here. We're not following. What a market drop for what GameStop? Let's see. Let's take a look at the 15. Now we're going for a hold at 250. GameStop's gonna get interesting next week. When's the meeting? June 11, right? Is that no? That's not next week. There's gonna be a moment where AMC gains inject GME into Pluto. That too. You're gonna have a lot of rotation. Not even just to GameStop, other stocks as well. Maybe even Bitcoin or cryptos. 3350s, AMC. I don't even want to look away because I know if it's dips, I'll miss it. 33, 34. Here he comes. Oh, that's such a beautiful 5 minutes. Look at that. 3350, 3450, I'm sorry. GameStop waking up. Let's see a push to like 36. Thinkorswim is the best you can lose. 100% agree. 100%, but using it for a long time. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning. Good morning. Let's take a good look at Tesla. Ooh, bring this back to 6, baby. I think that event to have on Thursday, June 3rd, is gonna be a massive flop, if I'm being honest. It's just like Battery Day. You guys remember Battery Day from Tesla? Oh man, what a flop that was. What a flop. Alrighty, 34. We're being patient here. I mean, compared to yesterday, this is pretty slow, quiet, right? 7:15 a.m. So around 15 minutes, we hit a high, stabilized. 10:15, and 3 hours later, we kind of rallied. So, let's wait. Let's wait and see. Or Cybertruck, yeah, when they broke the window. Let's see what's trending on Twitter. AMC strong. Paul Rudd. I don't know who that is. Second Amendment. There was an earthquake apparently here in LA yesterday. I did not feel anything. Alrighty, come on. Show me a break above 34. 34.50. GameStop, we're still seeing resistance at EMA. I think today will be a slow run up on AMC. Then later, towards close, people will take some profits. 100%. That's what I speculate too. I speculate a pretty and noticeable drop, I guess you could say, into close for AMC. It's just human psychology. I think a lot of people are sitting on some massive gains, and I don't know how comfortable they're gonna feel holding over the long weekend. That's just what I think, but I could be proven wrong. This could be at 50 by close for all we know. You don't know who Paul Rudd is, the National Treasurer. You're too young. I don't know who that is. GameStop 255. Let's hold 250s, man. No, I don't know who Ant-Man. Oh, he's Ant-Man. See, I don't keep up with like the Marvel or whatever, all those characters. I know you must be tripping out and like, what the hell? I just don't have an interest for that or never really paid attention. I'm telling you guys, I love books. Talk to me about books. Talk to me about self-help. Talk to me about Think and Grow Rich. I love books. I feel like every time I look away from the screen to read the chat, I feel like I'm just gonna miss the dip. All right, we're looking at EMA test here at 32 again for AMC. Guys, should we go live later? I have another exam. I'm almost done. We're going to UCLA, baby. We're going to UCLA. Um, and then we'll finish that up, and then maybe I think I'll have a chance to go live. Napoleon Hill, there we go. Look at this bounce, man. 32 to 33, almost near 34. Come on, AMC. Show me a gamma. Any book my Maxwell? Yeah, there's a good book called Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz. Really good book. 100% check that out. If you go to UCLA, you'll paint your hair purple. What? 144 viewers, aka 144 people that know what the real is. I respect all of you guys here. You guys are the real ones. I thought you watched movies. I do. And I'm very picky though with what I watch. I don't go about just watching every single movie either. Like I don't. Like I said, I was gonna go watch Mortal Kombat like what a month ago, and I still haven't gone. Trades bashed this guy, but he's been right. Who, me? I respect him though. No matter how much bashing I get, it is what it is, man. You know, what goes around comes around. Publicly traded companies here are selling bonds that convert to stock at a record pace this year, with nearly a third of those issuers paying with nothing in interest. I won't dye my hair for Donald's. Absolutely not. When I'm down, I rather look at your chart than mine. It feels less painful. No more onions, man. You want Robert? You want GameStop to tank, right? You know what happens when I eat onions live. Stocks tank. How are you down on the day like today? I don't know who you're asking, Rebecca, because we ain't down today. Rob, you want to hop on later, Power Hour? Dr. Brown, Dr. Burry, baby. You want to hop on later, or are you gonna be at Arby's? Oh, I've heard about that book, Michael. Unf yourself. There comes AMC again, 3450, testing that resistance. Think like a monk. Is it by that one CEO of Mind Valley? Think like a monk. I can't think like a monk. Monks do not trade stonks. Thinking Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A's overrated, man. 3450. It's a massive patience game with this. Mm-mm-mm. Here comes GameStop once again, breaking above EMA, 21, 261, 262. Oh man. Come on, break 32, 3450. So we're literally waiting on here. Look at Sundial. 93. Yeah, I'm not gonna be chasing Sundial, man. I sold my Sundial at $4 and I'm happy. Kenosis, what's going on? I bought AMC GameStop months ago. I left it and now my phone is sending me alerts like crazy to check what's going on. All right, we're breaking down here. We're looking at 3269, 3270 EMA, right around here. Let's see if we get that. Every time GameStop rips, it gets back down. Yeah, that's called lower highs. That's exactly what we're seeing here. Rob, do me a favor. By Rob. We got two Robert B's. Buy Dr. Burry some Arby's. Here it comes again. Testing 3450. Come on, let's see that breakout. There we go. Let's go. Shooting back up. What's AMC on this? It's not on here. It's probably on CNBC. Anybody watching CNBC? Are they mentioning AMC GameStop? Yeah, this is exactly what we're waiting for. Look at that confirmation here on GameStop. Again, don't get rejected. AMC volume is at 186 mil. Holy crap. What? What? I don't understand this. Something's dumping here. I look away for a second, I come back and it's coming down like this. Look at these wicks. What the hell? People are a big whale is dumping some stocks as it shoots up. There's something sketch going on here. These are not normal wicks. This jumping dollars like crazy, yeah. That's called day trader paradise. What? That's nuts. This candle literally went from 32 to 36 and right back down to close at 33. Yeah, something's weird is freaking. Someone's dumping massive shares here. Maybe Citadel? Didn't they buy a couple mil? No, it's a big boy dumping for sure. That selling pressure came through crazy. What are we looking at? 705? Does it go that far? Look how slow this is. Too many orders coming through. GameStop. If you stick 10K and you could lose through 2 to 3K in seconds, welcome to day trading. That's where you got to manage your risk. Damn, this is nuts. I just can't stop looking at. Like, if you look at the 1 hour, this is nuts. AMC mug. I've been having this mug. I paid $50 for this. Did I get scammed? This is an AMC mug. On the other side, we have GameStop. Oh, with the shirt too. With the shirt. With the AMC shirt. My heart. Yeah, Colleen, welcome. So this is not for the faint of heart. Just like my keys in my car from all this excitement. Come on, do a backflip, Ragnar. I got scammed. Oh, damn it. Or the shirt too. With the shirt. Don't forget the shirt. Not this one, but the other AMC shirt. Yeah, I feel like I got kind of ripped off. I was like, $50 for a custom mug. And dude, he half-assed the mug. If you see closely, you can see like, oh damn, I don't think you can. Like, look how faded this is. This is not quality. You guys see this? It's really faded. If anyone wants to, if anyone else wants the same mug, I have more for sale. You troll. No, this mug was not gifted. The big what are they called? The tin one, the silver one. That one was custom made, by the way, by Jonathan Allen. If Jonathan is here, I'll be really interesting. Mr. Jonathan Allen, I don't think he's here. You guys want the spacesuit? It's worse than those mugs that Bruce sells. Let's not bash other people here. Yeah, AMC volume is nuts. Oh, he's here. Jonathan's here. Jonathan, what's going on? Jonathan sent me a Starbucks gift card like 2 months ago, and I haven't used it. Does it expire when? I need to go use that. Oh, you guys want the spacesuit? All right, we'll do it for the last 30 minutes. Let's go. Let's get the spacesuit. If I missed the dip on AMC, it's your guys' fault. How feeling? All right. Green candle. All right. Okay, we're back. GameStop, what are you doing, buddy? We brought the spacesuit for you. Hey, William, we got an agent in here. Agent Sticks. Yeah, I don't know where Jamer's been. Where's this little fella? He's over here. All right, there's that dip. Damn it, Jamer, you're gonna make me miss a dip. How is this in the 5? All right, we're coming under. 32.77. See what happens when he walks away. What's going on, Crypto Chad? He's an agent of Kramer. Is that jumper DNG? Is that Dolce & Gabbana, right? DNG. I told you about Global Star. Is that GSAT? This? Bro, I got wrecked on this company when I first started trading stocks, by the way. This was a penny stock I started trading years back. Don't, this is some barcode BS here. What is it to play here? There's nothing to play here. GameStop, what are you doing? 250s. Oh no. Yeah, this was not great here. You see this is called the descending triangle. Oh crap, AMC's tanking. 31.66. Hmm. Is this a squeeze we've been waiting on? I don't think this is the squeeze. I appreciate your streams. I appreciate you. Don't need coffee with all this going on this morning. Yeah, I feel like I have anxiety right now. This coffee's just magnifying that. Oh, these drops are. My palms are getting sweaty. Here we go. Prepare for action. Prepare for liftoff. GameStop. What are you? This is a panic sell-off here. This is what I'm scared of with AMC. I don't know how many people are gonna panic if something happens where it gets halted. That's the only thing I do not want to get stuck in a halt. Yeah, this might have been stop loss hunting. You're right. You're right. 250, the half dollar. For AMC, I don't know where these stop losses are at. It might be every whole dollar. 31, 32, 32.50, possibly. This is just FOMO and gamma. Exactly. Exactly. This isn't short squeeze. This is literally just retail chasing. A lot of 250 calls on GameStop. I haven't looked at the options chain on that. We should see a bounce here on GameStop. My concern is this. If AMC cannot break above 33, 34 and hold here, and it comes down to 30 and test that again, it might get a little volatile, a little bloody. So just prepare for that. But I don't want to see 30. I want this to push up. I'm just trying to predict how it's going about right now. The volume is 211 million. Take a look, guys. This is old data. It's refresh. 214. 12 billion market cap. Holy crap. After $34, it can go to 36. 100% agree. That window for AMC is 30 to 34. 100% agree too. 30 to 34 is where the range is at right now, which is not necessarily a bad thing after this ridiculous rally we've been having. It's still green. Let's see. Twitter, what are you saying? Give me updates. Getting rejected at EMA here. Let's give it some time. GameStop with the rebound. Nothing on Twitter yet. No updates. No updates. Biden to unveil 6 trillion budget proposal. I recognize that GME patterns manipulation. This pattern was so apparent back in January, February. This pattern is nothing new here. The wicks are insane. Yeah, I mean, that has to do also with the volatility on these stocks. Like, this wick here is freaking ridiculous. Somebody dumped a lot of shares at 35 here at 36 on AMC when it shot up. If that happens again, then it's somebody's dumping aggressively. But let's wait and see. Bed Bath and bankruptcy is stunting. It's funny because we have BlackBerry with BB, right? Then we have BBY, which is Best Buy, which had earnings, and then BBBY is Bed Bath and Beyond. The triple Bs. GameStop 244. Damn it. $240 is an EMA on the 4-hour. Don't get spooked, AMC. Don't get spooked. At 5 minutes, so we're going red. Highest on pace for the highest close since January 2017. This is what I was talking about. Don't be surprised. It might get a little crazy. This chart is falling off my graph. What the Let's see. Ah, can't make GameStop. GameStop, catch yourself. Don't get halted. I got filled with 75 shares. Let's see this dip. Come on, AMC. Come on, baby. Where are the dip buyers? Where are the day traders? Bring this back up. That's the bounce I'm looking for. Fill me out. They filled me with 2 shares. Are you kidding me? We're still with 73. Let's see if we get filled here on this bounce. Gone. Quick little 50 bucks on that bounce. I would go way more aggressive, but it's just way too risky. Usually I understand my boundaries with Tesla. I understand how many shares are going to equate to what type of volatility. I don't really understand this now. I don't understand like that risk just yet. It's going to keep on bouncing. 30.94, 31. There we go. If there's a bounce, possibly 32. Let's see. Come on, GameStop. Catch yourself and rip. I think GameStop could test like 250s. Let's see. Do a backflip. Absolutely not. The volume is nuts. You see how fast that filled me? That's quick. Tesla's not even that fast sometimes. This was nuts. GameStop's biggest resistance is I think 232. Resistance. You mean support? Phoenix. I would say yeah. You're right. Right around there's pretty decent. I could respect that. This is a pretty decent recovery, but again, I just don't trust any stock, especially when you're day trading. You can't. You're going about micro bounces. Macro bounces today, exactly. You're seeing some crazy dips and rips. I just don't want to get caught up. See, you'll never really time the highs or the lows. You could sell a stock, it could keep on ripping. You could buy a dip and it could keep on dipping. It's very difficult to time both. One minute GameStop says bounce and 5 minutes is bull trap. Let's take a look. That 5 minute is way oversold too. We're at 254 for GameStop. We're at 244, 245. This was a pretty hefty drop here. Usually a pretty good sign here after EMA resistance. It's a green candle holding here at 31. That's a pretty nice indicator that this has a chance of ripping above to 32. Don't go red, because if it goes red, it could sink back to 30. Let's see. Yeah, it's going red. It could see 30 now. Let's see. Go green, baby. Hold yourself. GameStop doing the same thing. Oh, that's exactly what I mean. This 5 minute count's about to go red. It's not bullish. Yeah. Time this right. Time this right. It's gonna. This candle's gonna go red. This candle's gonna go red. This green candle's about to go red. It's about to crack under. There we go. Time this at 28.93. Can we see 28.93 here on the pre-market lows? All right, we hopped in again. We got filled. Don't crack. Don't keep on cracking. It's going against us. Oh, GameStop keeps on dropping, man. Oh no. 28.57. This hurts. No, let's wait for the bounce. Let's wait for the bounce. Here we go. We're in at 29.18. That's a pretty bad entry. We timed this a little off. But we're hoping on this bounce to be aggressive back to at least 30. Let's see. If not, we break even. This candle went down to 28.13. That's insane. Literally $1 off on the timing there. That just goes to show it's with the volatility you're seeing here is just too hard to time it. I'm not always right, but when I am, it's never pretty. How is it on the 5? I haven't taken a look. Yeah, it's a little under the 5. Let's wait and see. Waiting for that bounce. Still holding 29. We're giving this some time. If this doesn't bounce here, we're just gonna sell it for a small L. I don't care. All right, we're in the green now. Show me 30. Pretty bad on that one. I see where this goes. Exactly, comedy. This is why I don't really trust. Like I sell way too fast and too early. I just don't care what the stock does after. Anything can happen like this. It can twist like this, and the last thing you want to do is get stuck on a drop. See, now it's pulling back again. See? If I wouldn't have sold, I would have been like, fuck, I should have sold. That's exactly what I mean. You don't know what's gonna happen, and I don't want to take that risk. Uh, those are economic reports came out. Room full of rocking chairs. You see, we're now back to 28. We would have been back in the red if I wouldn't have sold here. You just got everything's easy in hindsight, man. That's why you just gotta be disciplined. You could get wrecked really quick. Imagine if that was with like 1,000 shares, that would have been bad. And this is pretty much nothing. 75 here, just micro pennies is not a lot. Uh, uh, uh. Mm, 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 What's the volume at? 249 mil. Jesus. The 5 is at 31.43, so this is a little oversold. If this continues to drop, I'd be surprised. I mean, at 28, this is still here at yesterday's highs. GameStop 237. Let's wait. We're testing here the support at 2850. Looks like a day for a bath to say it. Sad to say it. Got their money and ran. The hard part with this coming down like this slightly is that again, how confident are people that this is going to go to 50 or 40? Or for the squeeze? It's all on them now. I don't think it's over either. See Twitter. So it's holding $28 pretty strongly. 28. This is still yesterday's like level before it sold off here. 28. That's pretty good. On the 5, this is a little oversold. Let's see. 31, 29 test again. Let's see if it bounces or breaks. Come on. Yeah, no, the market's closed Monday. So we'll have to see. 30 test again. We're looking for 31 now. 31. 30, 15, 30 to 20. GameStop needs to come back. So at least it's found support here at 28, which is not a bad level. Not a bad level. I would say 32, yeah. 30, around 30. Let it consolidate there. Interesting. I don't watch this man anymore. He used to be my go-to until he jumped the ship, then leave. I'm not gonna kiss ass to anybody. I'll jump the ship on anything, and I'll tell you, I'll do it in front of your face. There's nothing to hide. If I don't think something's right, I'll tell you straight up. Yo, this is bullcrap. This is gonna happen. This sort of thing's gonna happen. That's how the cookie crumbles, baby. 30.77. Let's see if it can hold 30. GameStop 244. We're going for 250s again. Look how slow this is. It's like I need to reboot this crap. Part of my MacBook is even faster than this. Hold 30s, baby. Now it's a patience game. Yeah, that's that. The interaction is what they crave. I think they want the attention. I usually only fire back when they're here on the live. Sending a PS2 full of a box full of rocks. Or we're going for the 30 hold at first, Avani. Do I believe in 1,000 for AMC? It's going to be very hard. It's like what GameStop was doing. GameStop should have been at 1,000 that first initial run, 100%. Except Robinhood came and effed everything up. For AMC, they're in very different situations, especially with the proxies coming up. But if everything aligns perfectly, I don't know, man. I don't. It's very hard to say because everybody literally has to hold. And the thing is, I don't think everyone's gonna be able to hold like that. People will say they'll hold and they'll sell behind your back. I don't. I think that that's gonna be an issue. People saying they're holding, and when in reality, I think they're selling. It's hard to build a PC right now with the parts. Bro, I have a contract expiring at 21 today. Should I exercise it? I can't answer that, man. Like I said, you do you, man. You do you. That's not. I can't answer that 100%. This is literally a big white lettering on top that says I'm not a financial advisor. Yo, man. Bitcoin mining. All right, we're about to test 30 again. Let's see. Do we hold here above EMA? This is slightly rejection here at EMA on the 5 for AMC. You got any contracts or only stock? Only stock. Let's see Twitter. What's popping on here? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Still trending is AMC strong. Hit up Newegg. Yeah, Newegg's a popular site. How's Tesla doing? I forgot Tesla existed. 624. GameStop 242. Looks like we're holding support here. Let's wait. We're barely an hour in. We still got a whole trading day. 30. Here comes GameStop's reversal. 245. Let's go for 250. We're going for 32 here on AMC. Let's see the 5. Yeah, right around 32. We can get it 32 and close above there and just consolidate there. That's a pretty good sign. $246. I had to nap in response to stress like this. It is stressful watching candle by candle, but you learn over time. It's just you just become motionless, I guess you can say. Next catalyst, the meeting, the annual meeting for GameStop. Numb to the abuse. Yeah, you just become numb to these drops. They suck though. They still suck. But I invested in GameStop at 300 and hell, I feel nothing anymore. kind of slow here. We're waiting for an actual move up or down on AMC and GameStop. We're kind of consolidating here, which is not a bad sign. $31, above 31. Here we go. There's that EMA test one more time. Go for 32 now. Going for 32. Yes, sir. 3150s. Show me 5. It is when you thought you were buying the dip and then it dips lower. Exactly. You can never time the dips, man. Or the rips on the sell side. There's the resistance again. Alrighty, what are we looking at? We have to hold 30 here, guys. If not, I think we can see 28 again and some new lows. Let's just wait. That's how I'm reading it about right now. Needs to hold 30 or 30.50. Let's go. Come on. We'll be going live later. Might be like 10 minutes late to the stream. Power hour. But we're going to be here, baby. Patience game, patience game, patience game. 31 again. Let's go to 32, man. GameStop creeping. 246. Power hour. This has the January vibes. Power hour streams. Space. I love it. Yeah, the vibes are back. The onions, the Arby's, the White Claws occasionally, the spacesuit, the echo pumps, the stroking of the candles. Tom Brady coming through. Now Tom Brady's over here buying Bitcoin, having laser eyes. Life is good, guys. Life is good. The similarity in these patterns is pretty nuts. Who's coming back? Power hour. Power hour. Let's just let this unfold, guys. Let's just let it unfold. It's a patience game. It's moving a little slow, but as long as it's holding above 30, I think the volume can pick up like this. Due diligence. On the Discord. What's going on with Discord? Remco, what's going on? Hi from Amsterdam. There's a lot of new people in the Discord. I think we might end it here, guys. We're gonna be back later on. Do you like the We Like to Stock? I got copyrighted for that. Let's wait. Is it gonna crack here now that we're gonna end it? Yes, sir. The Second King. 3064. What is this on the 5? Rich, you just got here. We're about to end this. We are about to end it. Pretty interesting, huh? Looks like we're seeing rejection at EMA on the 5 again. The thing is it going to hold 30? There we go. Go, go, go. I'd love to hear that. Making hella off options today. There we go. Love seeing people win. Yeah, the patterns are the same. So we're going to end it here. Let's hold 30. If not, don't be surprised if this cracks 28. It's very volatile. It's very aggressive on the ups and downsides. But got to take this freaking exam. We'll be back. Power hour. Power hour is the last hour of the trading day. So if you are new and you enjoy this type of content, these type of live streams, we go live every day. Market open. So make sure you subscribe. Drop a like if you enjoyed this. And with that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out, everybody. Have an amazing morning.